Hello, let's learn some colors. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, deep green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, deep yellow color, blue color, pink color. Let's draw 2D shapes. A square, a square, a square, circle, a circle, circle, triangle, triangle, a star, it's a star, a star, heart, heart, pentagon, pentagon. Let's learn colors. Vermilion color, vermilion color, vermilion color, cool gray color, cool gray color, cool gray color, yellow green color, yellow green color, yellow green color, potato brown color, potato brown color, potato brown color, deep olive green color, deep olive green color, deep olive green color, chestnut brown color, chestnut brown color, chestnut brown color, a square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.